If you're an artist that struggles with creative block and just really wants to get back into drawing, this box is for you. The first impression whenever a new customer gets their box is that they open it up and they truly realize that there's a lot of stuff inside this box. There's art supplies, there's tool sheets, there's 2 different full creativity booklets that we produce in-house. We're actually a small family business that does all of this. It's me and a couple of our other artists, me and my girlfriend and my stepdaughter that helps me produce everything. You could say we do a lot of work in-house. Sometimes we won't be turning off the light until like 3, 4 in the morning, just constantly pumping out booklets, pumping out different types of content for the crates. Every month is a different theme. You're always on a constant artistic adventure with this box. You're given new art supplies, challenges, tutorials, brainstorming activities, warm-ups, motivational guides. You're also given different interviewed artists. Everything is constantly changing, and you will see why there's a lot of fans of InspireME Crate. Once you get a hold of your box, nothing's more exciting. We tried to make sure that the artist's journey is a fun one instead of being something very stressful. We wanted every artist just to open up a box and just really enjoy the experience. They get like these awesome little art supplies, they get this awesome tutorial books, they also get these warm-ups. I wanted artists to feel very happy and go, this is what I needed. What I really want to get out of this box, its sole mission is just to inspire any level artist. I want the artists just to feel like they're taken care of, that they're supplied with art supplies, that they're supplied with the motivation, the tools, how to use the art supplies, how to draw, how to think differently and more creatively. I just want to give a special all-in-one kit that curated to all different levels of art. We are a voice of hope, and hope being we want the artist to feel hopeful that, hey, I can get better, I can continue drawing, I can be motivated, I can go out there and be the next whatever artist you want.